Have you ever found yourself staring at your screen, trying to pick a crypto exchange, and suddenly you're drowning in a sea of names like Uphold and Binance? You're not alone. It's a common dilemma for anyone stepping into the world of digital assets. Both promise easy access to cryptocurrencies, but beneath the surface, they cater to different needs and offer distinct experiences. So, what is the real difference between Uphold and Binance, and which one is the better fit for your crypto journey? Let's break it down. Imagine you're at a grocery store. Uphold is like a well-curated convenience store. It offers a simpler, more streamlined experience, especially for beginners. Its interface is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy to buy, sell, and convert a decent range of cryptocurrencies, as well as some traditional assets like precious metals and even certain stocks. The big draw with Uphold is its anything-to-anything trading feature, which allows you to directly swap any supported asset for another without multiple conversions. This can save you time and potentially fees. It's also known for its strong regulatory compliance, often making it a preferred choice for users who prioritize security and adherence to established financial guidelines. However, this simplicity often comes with fewer advanced trading features and potentially higher fees compared to its larger counterparts. Now, shift your perspective to a massive, bustling supermarket, and you've got Binance. This is the heavyweight champion in terms of trading volume and sheer variety. Binance offers an almost overwhelming array of cryptocurrencies, thousands, in fact, along with a comprehensive suite of advanced trading tools. We're talking spot trading, futures, options, margin trading, staking, lending, and even a launchpad for new crypto projects. If you're an experienced trader looking for deep liquidity, complex order types, and every conceivable way to interact with the crypto market, Binance is your playground. It boasts lower trading fees, especially if you hold their native token, BNB. The downside? Its immense size and feature-rich environment can be intimidating for newcomers. The interface, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve, and its regulatory journey has been more complex and varied across different jurisdictions. So, the choice really boils down to your needs and experience level. If you're new to crypto, value simplicity, ease of use, and a regulated environment, Uphold is an excellent starting point. It's fantastic for straightforward transactions and diversifying across various asset classes. But if you're an experienced trader, or aspire to be one, seeking a vast selection of assets, advanced trading features, and the lowest possible fees, then Binance is likely the platform you'll gravitate towards. Both have their strengths, and both play a vital role in the crypto ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.